Hello Year 1 and welcome to some phonics. So we're going to do some phonics this morning. We are going to look at a new sound, We're going to look at a new sound and we are going to do some reading and some writing, and there might even be a sneaky alien included. So this is our new sound today. We are looking at this sound. It is ooh, chew the stew. Ready? My turn. Ooh. 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 Good job. I can hear you saying it really well. Ready? Say it again for me, nice and loud. Okay. Say it to your ceiling. Say it to your floor. Say it to your nearest door. Say it to your teddy bear friend. Ooh. Ooh. It is ooh, ooh. We are going to say we chew the stew. Your turn. Chew the stew. Chew the stew. Well done. Okay, so we are looking at ooh, chew the stew. Right, when you see this side, you are going to say ooh. When you see this side, you are going to say chew the stew. So let's see who I can catch out today. Ready? Whoops. I nearly knocked myself out with it then. Ooh, ooh, chew the stew. Nice job. I wonder if I did catch anyone out. So we are going to look at ooh. I'm now going to hide ooh in some of my old sounds. Some of my sounds I know you know. When you find ooh, you need to give it a big wave, okay? Ready, go. You found it. I was going to move on. Well done. Ooh, ooh. Chew the stew. Well done. Ready? I'm going to hide it again, and this time I am going to go a little bit quicker. Ready? Did that alien turn that one the wrong way round? There we go. You found it. Good job. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Chew the stew. 2 letters, 1 sound. Good work. Right, we are going to do some reading with our ooh sound now. So let me see who is ready. We are going to get our reading hands ready. So our reading hands should look like this. We say our sounds and we push them together. So we have this word. What is my special friend? My special friend is ooh. Well done. Ready? And we're going to sound it out. New. Well done. Ready? Uh-oh. It's upside down. What is the special friend here? Can you tell me what the special friend is? It is ooh. Well done. Ready? And we're going to sound it out and we're going to push it together. Ready? Ooh. Flew. Well done. Flew. Like the birds that flew. Nice. Next one. What is my special friend? It's ooh. Good job. Ready? And we're going to sound it out. Push it together. It is ooh. Drew. I drew a beautiful picture yesterday. There you go. And the last one is to have a special friend. What's my special friend? It's ooh. Well done. Ready? And we're going to sound it out. And we're going to put it together. Ready? Ooh. Grew. Well done. Like we grew some cress. And I hope to show you what that looks like. when you come back to school. Right, we have 2 aliens that I snuck in from school, and we have some alien words. So we always sound out our alien words because aliens are sneaky and they try and trick you out. So we have our special friend. What is my special friend? Ooh, well done. Ready? And we're going to sound it out. And put it together. Ready? G-oop. Goop. What a load of nonsense. Silly aliens. Ready? Next word. We've got our special friend. What is my special friend? Yes, it's ooh. Good job. Ready? And we're going to sound it out. Ooh. Plue. What a load of nonsense. Silly aliens. Right. I have 2 words that we are going to thread in our head, nice and quick, using some old sounds we already know. Ready? Special friend is O. Good job. And you are going to thread it in your head, not a sound from your mouth. Put it together. What is this word? Hope. Good job. Ready? Hope. Hope. Nice work. I wonder how many of you could do that just in your own head. Ready? And the next one, we have our special friend here. This is E, cup of tea. Use your head. Sound it out inside your head, not a sound from your mouth. Off you go. Well done. That one was seat. Eat, seat. Good. You have used your old sounds really well. But now it is time to do some writing with our ooh, chew the stew sound. So get your writing hands ready. Get your writing hands ready. And the first word we're going to write is blue. Like the wind blew. Or the wolf blew down the house. So, blue. Sound it with your fingers. You're right, there's 3 sounds. Ready? Let's do it again. And press them again. B-l-ooh, blue. Can you write down on your paper or your whiteboard the word blue? Okay, pause me if you need to. Otherwise, we are going to check your writing. Ready? Blue. B-l-ooh. Use your sound buttons to help you. B-l-ooh. I wonder who got that one right. If you didn't get it right, give it a little bit of a fix. I'm going to fix my top of my B so it's nice and straight because I don't want it to be wonky. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Ready? Blue. The next word, get your writing hand ready, is going to be grew. Grew. We grew some cress. Ready? You'll write 3 sounds. Say them again. Grew. Ready? G-r-oo. Grew. 3 sounds. Use your fingers to help you. And write down the word grew on your paper or your whiteboard. If you need to, please pause me. And we are going to check our next word, which is grew. G-r-oo. Grew. I grew some cress, or I grew some pretty flowers. Okay, and the last one we're going to do is going to be a little bit trickier. It's going to be screw. Ready? 4 sounds this time. Ready? Let's practice them. Press our fingers. S, k, oo. Screw. Okay. Can you write down with those 4 sounds on your paper for me, please? We're going to write the word screw. That's what you need to screw in everything. Make it nice and tight. Ready? What was I going to say? You can pause me if you need to. My brain today. You can pause me if you need to. If not, we are going to write the word screw together so that you can see if you have spelt it correctly. Ready? S, k, oo. Screw. Okay. Use your sound buttons as well. S, k, oo. Screw. Nice. Ready? We're going to write a sentence together. So I'm going to say it. I'd like you to say it. We're going to see how many words are in our sentence, and we're going to have a go at writing it, remembering our capital letter and our full stop. So we're going to write, the crew has the stew. The crew has the stew. You're on a pirate ship and the crew has the stew. Okay, the crew has the stew. We have 5 words. Okay, it's going to start with the word the, which is a tricky word that a lot of you know how to spell on your own. The crew has the stew. Now, my class, I am looking for you to spell has properly because we have been practicing that a lot in the last couple of weeks. So, the crew has the stew. Can you write that down on your paper or your whiteboard? Pause me now if you need a moment more. Okay, ready? We're going to start our sentence with a capital letter, starting with the. We have the. K-r-oo. Crew. The crew has, not a z, it's a s, has. The crew has the stew. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? I need a full stop. Good job. Right. Now for your fixing or your ticking. Ready? So you give yourself a tick if you have a capital letter to start your sentence. Okay? Give yourself a tick if you have spelt crew beautifully. Give yourself a tick if you have spelt has beautifully. And give yourself a tick for stew. And then bonus 1 for your full stop. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks today. Don't worry if you did not get all of your ticks. You can go and fix your sentence and you can practice it. Extra super challenge. Can you write me your own sentence with a oo sound in it? I'd love to see them, maybe on J2E. So have a lovely day and keep reading and keep using your phonics. Bye. See you tomorrow.